Hey guys, this is Dami here. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we do a lot of things hair care. So boys, stay tuned. I actually got something for you guys coming out real soon. So like the video talks about, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my length checks 2 different ways. So if that's something you guys are interested in, please keep watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, length check 2 ways. First things first, I'm starting on stretch hair. I know a lot of videos, if you guys see, people are starting on stretched hair, straightened hair. We don't got time for that. We don't do the heat for that. It's not worth it. Do whatever you want to do. So my hair's a little bit dry, but it's okay. It's right now while it's stretched, I want to do the length check and then I'll wash it and it'll be fine. So like I said, I'm starting on stretched hair, but you guys can start on whatever hair you want. Stretched hair just helps me reduce the amount of pulling that I have to do. If my hair was shrunken like this, I would have to really, and it might not be as accurate. So the more stretched your hair is, the more accurate it is. Another thing I want to let you guys know before I get started is that when I do my length checks, I use the same parts of my hair every single time, okay? So this is what I do, but you guys can do what you do. Make sure you guys comment down below if you do something different. Let me know. So I do like the 3-point type of method, something that I made up. So basically I check the middle of my head, the sides, the middle, the sides, and then the back, middle, sides. I find that like people would spend so long just measuring every single strand of their hair, and it's not even that serious. Just look at the same points every single time and you'll see. So for the first method, we're using body parts to measure. So this is how a lot of people do it. This is how I did it for years, and let's do it. So I usually do my very sides because I know this is what needs the most. This is what, like my edges are just thinner. So if they're growing, you know there's hope. No problem. Okay, so we're gonna keep my head straight. I took my side and I'm stretching it. And I'm stretching it. Some people comb it when it gets to the bottom, but I just keep stretching it. And I can say that it's going just past my collarbone, this side, okay? My middle broke off when I used to straighten my hair a lot. So for a while, it literally only went to my nose, but I can see it stretching. Okay, past my lip. I'd say just a little bit past my chin. Pretty even, like as in the same as the other side, just a little bit past my collarbone. It looks like this one's actually going a little bit longer, but yeah, just a little bit past my collarbone, okay? And so as I am like doing this, I'm taking pictures, right? So I can compare it every single time. It's not just like, oh yeah, 4-finger width from my collarbone. Yeah, that's what I was 6 months ago. It's like, no, I'm actually taking pictures, and that's why like I have my chest showing, so I can like literally see where in my chest is it landing. Sometimes when I wear t-shirts and stuff, like the t-shirts have different like graphics, so I can't always measure it, or maybe I don't have the same t-shirt 6 months later, or I can't find the t-shirt. Like I feel like your body is something that it's so easy to use when looking for measurements, because it pretty much stays the same. My collarbone's not gonna shift overnight. My middle's naturally longer because I don't do much with it. Oh, you can see it's pretty long. Okay. And to do my middle, I usually bring it forward and see how much it will, like where it will touch when I bring it forward, right? So it's pretty much the same as my front hair, but obviously longer because it's coming from further back, but it still goes a little bit past my chin. And then the same thing that I did with my sides, I would bring it along the side of my neck. Right now I'm just kind of finger detangling it, making sure that it goes out straight. Okay, so this is coming from the side of my hair. Like 4 fingers down from my collarbone. So whatever hair you're deciding to use, try to make sure you're using that same section every single time. This side is a little bit shorter. Well, like 3-finger widths from my collarbone, left side. My back is naturally like just longer than my front. I don't know, my nape grew a lot when I started caring for my hair a bit more. Yeah, so this is like almost hitting my bra. Okay. And of course you say geez. So that's how I do my length check, the first method, using 3 points and using my body to measure exactly how and where my hair lands on it to see how much it's growing, right? It's my nose, okay, ooh, now my upper lip, now my lower lip, now my chin, now above my chin, right? Okay, so for my second method, I'm actually gonna be using measuring tape. This is just measuring tape that I stole from my mom's sewing kit, okay? Do what you need to do. So we're gonna be doing the same point method though. Side, middle, side, side, middle, side, side, middle, side, right? Along the front, the middle, and the back of my hair. And now we're actually gonna be like measuring it. I'm kind of excited for this method because I've never actually measured my hair like, oh, my hair is 6 inches, 5 inches, like, you know? I'm actually gonna know because, you know, I do weave and I know what I like, 22 inches, 24 inches, 26 inches. So to see how my hair compares to the hair that I usually get, it's gonna be kind of interesting. Obviously I know my hair is not 26 inches, but I've never actually measured it with tape. So I'm excited, but also a little bit nervous. And I'm just trying to get to the very root of my hair, and then I'm gonna pull down. Yeah, like 8.5, 9. Okay. Like 8 inches for this side. Okay, we'll go with 9. We'll go with 9. We'll go with 9. Okay, 8, 9. We'll go 10. Yeah, we'll go 10. Yeah, we'll go 10. It's like 10 and a half, almost 11. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. That's not technically good though, because the front of my hair is like 8, 9. The middle of my hair is like 11, 12. To the back. I expect the back to be longer, but we'll see. This side's a solid 10. I think it's important to measure your nape because it's like your hairline. Depending on what you wear, depending on the styles that you do, it can influence it so much. I would say this is like a 9. The middle is like a 9. And finally, the side. Okay. Yeah, this is looking like a 10 as well. Yeah, it's looking like a 10 as well. Kind of goes to 11, but we won't force it. Okay, so that's my length check. I hope you guys learned something. So now that we know all the measurements, I'm gonna do this again in like 4 to 6 months, and we'll see if it grew based on like what I naturally do, my regimen, the protective styles that I do. Yeah, I don't necessarily have my hair out a lot, but when I do, sometimes I like put my hands in it a lot, and it's not the best for me, but I don't care because it's my own hair. So yeah, that's why I do a lot of protective styles, just to even protect my hair from myself. Last but not least though, I actually have this bald spot that I would love to know where it goes to. This is my bald spot. Like the hair hair is not very long at all. Yeah, this is it. This is my bald spot. And I want to measure it because for years it never grew. I'll say there. Okay, my bald spot is 6 inches. It goes a little bit past, but I don't know if I'm getting hair from other sections. So I'll just do the 6 inches. But yeah, the hair right beside it is 12 inches and my bald spot is 6 inches. So like, yeah, for years it did not grow. And it's just now starting to grow. Like it was a scab and then hair started to grow slowly. And it is growing to the length of the rest of my hair, but because it's kind of short, sometimes I pick at it because, you know, I can feel like the bump there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me, seeing what I do with my crazy 4C hair. It does have a mind of its own. I try not to rule it too much, but when it gets disrespectful, it goes in mini twists, it goes in braids, it goes under a wig. Right now I have it out, and it's okay, but pretty soon it's gonna get mad dry and start disrespecting me again. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. If you guys wanna see how I wash my hair, make sure you guys look at my wash day video. It will be in the description box. It will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching with me, and let's keep growing together. In 6 months when I do it again, I really hope you guys come back and see how it does. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss another video and see what I do on this journey. I'm here for it. I'm so excited to share my healthy hair journey with you guys. I know you can be looking at my hair and be like, your hair's kind of dry. And I'm like, yeah, so is your